Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making pistachio syrup. Pistachios right here. Make sure it's deshelled. I got some water I'm gonna use, some sugar. The rest of my honey. Now usually I don't like to put honey too much in my thing, but I said I'm gonna try this time. I'm gonna add my brown sugar. My salt, extract, and also my brown. And now y'all ain't seen this in a little minute. I almost forgot about you. Even though it takes chocolate to cook it up, I'm gonna use you though. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Alright, now as you can see, excuse me, please. Okay, thank you. Now as you can see, this is not not the vein. Deshelled. You're gonna take this little shell off. Now I see some people like use their hand, just take it off, and some people put it in like a hot bath for like a 5 minutes or so. It'll come right off. See, with me plucking it. But I'll get back to y'all once I finish deshelling all these.
A few moments.
Okay, baby. I'm gonna do it the other way with the water and yeah, let it boil for about 3 minutes, because when I tried to pluck it with my fingers, I did a few. However, when I tell you messed up this nail and this one too, you're not gonna pay for me to get a manicure, are you? Are you nuts? Well, you could be nuts in your own. I ain't got time for it. Okay, you see how it's boiling right now? It's been like that for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, some people take it out and put it on like a towel and rub it, and they come off like that. It's easier to open it now. Just take it out. Before it was like a little resistance. Let me do the rest. All of this is the one I did in the water, boiled in the water. This is the ones I did before the water, so it still got a little part of it. It's kind of hard to come off, but I guess once I soak in everything, it really won't matter. Rest of my water. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Now put in, it's a half each, so one. It's equal to 1 tablespoon. Like sugar, like 2 teaspoons. A little bit of salt, like a pinch. Alright, put like half a tablespoon of brown sugar. These pistachios smell just like, cause you know they nuts. So, and macadamias are nuts too. They smell kind of like macadamias, really. I should have this on low. Just let it simmer. So I'm gonna have this on for like another 5-10 minutes. Then I get back to you, Lord's will. Okay, I want to get the rest of this little teensy bit. I don't want to come out. I'll put some water in there. I'm just gonna shake it. I put a little bit, actually a little bit more water too, because it was like dissipating. It was dissolving. Go on for another few minutes. Okay, I just took it off. When I tell you it smells just like brownies, I'm not thinking it's supposed to smell like that, but it do. Okay, it sat down for a little bit. I'm gonna taste it before I put the almond extract in there. I had to put another like teaspoon of brown sugar, because when I tasted more of that honey taste, and now they're like, what do you expect? You put the honey in there. Okay, that don't mean I want to taste it like that. I just want to taste the sweetness, not honey taste per se, just the sweetness mainly. Thank you. So I added more brown sugar. Alright, I'm gonna taste this. I still taste honey, but it's not strong like how it was earlier. So I can actually deal with this. Nuttiness a little bit, but mainly like the sugared up, because I put the brown butter. It's good though. I'm half a cup, or less than half a cup. Like I said, this is strong. Stirred it in there. The almond is a nut too, so I want to bring that at home across. Let me taste it again. Yeah, the almond actually don't do bad. I don't know, it actually like bump it up a little bit. I don't know, I like this though. Alright, I feel like it's cooled more enough, so I'm gonna take this and put this in a jar and stir it in the fridge.